Hello everyone, myself Ravi Kumar. Today I will going to explain you the another program of 8086 microprocessor. Program number Z2, that is data transfer from data segment to extra segment. So we are done with the last program, that is R2, that is data transfer within the same segment. This is little bit different from that. It is data transfer from one segment to other segment, that is from data segment to extra segment. So whatever to step follow is we have to add one more segment, that is extra segment, in this program. So last program is similar to this only, but only extra segment is the main point of this program. So step 2 is so main function of this program is to move the data in extra segment. Use of extra segment is main important funda in this program. So what you have to do is in this program extra segment, the main intention of for this program is to moving the data or transferring the data from data segment to the extra segment. So therefore we have to must have to use extra segment. So for example, I am taking in this program 10 data bytes. You can take any number of data which you want to move or transfer. So I am taking here 10 data bytes. So that is from 10h 20h up to 0h0h, that is 100h. So that will be written in hex, that is 0a0h. So this is funda of this program. Let us understand the program in DOSBox and run the program in DOSBox. So this is the J2 program, that is a transfer of data from DS to ES. So let us write here comment line by start with the inverted, that is semicolon. So data transfer from DS to ES, from DS to ES, that is from datas, that it means from DS to ES means data segment to extra segment. This is program Z2, program number Z2. Let us understand the program. So as I can say in said in the funda, the data segment. So data segment, we should have to originate in first row, that is 0h, originating the data in first row, that the data is the memory location. For making the program interesting, I am taking the memory location for data segment is Mumbai. So Mumbai DB data bit because of 8 bit. So 10h, 20h, 30h, 40 up to 100h. So which I want to move the data or transfer the data in extra segment. So that's it. This is data ends. So given data, we have to use extra segment here. Extra segment, we have to move transfer the data in extra segment. Therefore, I am using a extra segment. So extra in the extra segment only, I want to get the result in the first row only. So the memory location for the extra segment, that is result data, I have to get in the memory location of Goa. So that is memory location is Goa DB, that is 10 DUP question mark means I am uh, spacing or I am locating that data in 10 locations, duplicating 10 location for the transfer data question mark, because we have to transfer it. So then extends, start with the code segment, assume these are all fixed line. And one more thing, move x comma extra es comma x, this is also fixed line for when extra segment will comes. Then move cl comma 0h, initialize the counting. So it means we have 10 data bytes, so we have to initialize count. More than one data means we have to initialize count. Then afterward, initialization of pointers, that is the source and destination pointer. Source is a Mumbai, so destination is the Goa. which is pointing the, so given data is pointing Mumbai, so transfer data after it will point the destination, that is Goa. Then forgot now about go back. So first move the data, first data to EL register, that is given data to EL register, then move it to destination, that is to Goa. So it will it is Goa is represented by destination pointer, that is, that should be in extra segment. Therefore es colon di is main thing we have to use here. Keep in mind es colon di. Then after moving one data, we have to increment si, means we have to prepare for moving second data, therefore increment si, then increment di again along with that, and decrement cl, means after moving 10 data bytes we will be having 9 bytes, after moving again one byte we are having 8 bit, like that till it becomes 0. We have to continue this process, we have to continue this process. Then if decrement cl count will become 0, then it means after moving all the data, so we have to come here. If non-zero means go back here, go back up, go back. So if 0 means end the program, after moving all the data we have to end the program, that is writing by lines move age come force age in 20 minutes code and send me. This is program. Thank you everyone.